Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. And I am off to, before the heat comes on, it's supposed to be 100 plus over the next couple days. Thought I'd take the opportunity to do a little outdoor morning, get a little morning repast here with some breakfast at one of my favorite dining spots around the hood before I get on with my day. Sam's Foreplay Cafe. Whenever visitors come to town and things like that, it's always a place I like to take them to get a good hearty breakfast. And I got to tell you the truth, I got a taste for some pancakes today, and that's exactly what I'm going to get. This is like al fresco dining at its finest. I'm sitting right out, almost on the street right here. But it's worth it. Here comes my waiter. I love this place, Sam's Foreplay Cafe and Catering. I think I'm going to get right to it. I don't need something real big, but I want to get some. Definitely get some pancakes today. Yeah, pancake stack of 3, $6.95, and maybe a little side order of bacon here. I think that would be pretty good, huh? I don't really see it, but I'm sure it's here somewhere. Country sausage, ham, leg, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Chilly morning, 59 degrees, but al fresco dining, and there is Little Rascal. I tell you guys, I'm almost on the street. I'm almost on the street here. I'm loving this. I don't know what it's going to be like in winter, but it's kind of cool to be sitting outside. But don't confuse this with Paris, France, okay? So I ordered just the pancakes for $6.95. I did get a small juice. They brought me a huge one. I said, I can't drink all of that. And he swapped it in for a small one. So fresh squeezed, you can really tell. Pardon the truckers behind me. I might as well be eating breakfast at an industrial a plant, right? Some type of factory somewhere. Because it is crazy noisy here. You can see the restaurants behind me. So I'm enjoying myself.
I can get you a job right here with
Yeah, I'm just doing a little recording of breakfast today, so it's always nice to meet somebody that knows the channel and everything. So
I know that face.
okay. Here comes my breakfast. That looks good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
That's a lot of pancakes there. That's a lot of pancakes. They're looking good. Yeah, it's always always nice to, no matter where I go, I always meet somebody. I know you on YouTube. Looks pretty good. Nice fluffy pancake. I really don't know how they get them so fluffy, but very tasty down there. You can see them. I kind of didn't feel like a side today. I feel like this is so filling, it'll be enough. Always love to see the fans out. Well, that was a nice breakfast. The buttermilk pancakes came into about $12 altogether with everything, and like $12.95 or something like that. But very good eating. Hit the spot today. Some days you wake up, you need to have some soul food, right? You need to have some rib stick and food. And it is 61 degrees here this morning still. So very nice to meet some fans. It's always, I don't know, you know, you guys was that little weird when somebody, hey, I know you from YouTube. Yeah, I've seen your casino videos down at the casino and stuff. Well, probably watched more than that. Anyway, very nice. Sam's Play Cafe for a nice breakfast today. Breakfast on the road, literally sitting right out, almost like 8 feet from the road there, but a different kind of dining experience. But breakfast in the hood was a nice one. Thanks for being along today, guys, and have yourselves a wonderful day. And as usual, thumbs up are very appreciated. Bye.